What's going on? Got the Q60, Q50 steering wheel and the G35, and also paddle shifters. They both work. Everything works as it's supposed to. And I just had to do some repinning of the wire harness to get the steering wheel controls to work, but volume up and down works. Also, the Seek track works up and down. Obviously, some of these buttons don't work, like the mirror functions, because the G35 does not have that function, but cruise control works, all these work, horn, and as soon as you put it into manual mode, the paddle shifters will work. I'll show you that here in just a second. But everything was pretty plug and play on the steering wheel harness, the airbag, and just the only thing you had to do was repin the wires that go from the harness to the connector. And it was fairly simple. Some amount of work went into putting these paddle shifters in though. That took the most customizing, but it turned out pretty nice. I like the new wheel. It updated the look a lot, and the feel is pretty nice. But I'll show you the shifters right now. Obviously it's going to be a little hard to do holding the phone and driving, but it's pretty responsive as well. I put a grounding kit and it just gave better reaction time from the shifters to when you actually shift. And what I did was I took this shifter, the little paddle shifting mechanisms from the manual mode down there, and I just put them inside of these are G37 paddle shifters. I put the little tiny shifters inside of the housing of the paddle shifter, and it worked out just fine. There was a lot of customizing involved in that, but I was able to get it done. And they work great. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments.